It does not look good at all. Leaving your house with bonnet on your head to go to the store, to go to the airport. No, instead, I have a better recommendation for you, and this will make your outfit to look all put together. Also, if you're living in a climate that is very cold, maybe during the time of fall or winter time, this you can just use it to go outdoor, to go work out at the same time, or to just look all put together quickly to go to the store or to run errand. And also you can use it to lounge at home, so you look all put together. Welcome back, ladies. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you real quick how you can just get up and go and leave your house looking all put together. You all know that we have to put our clothes, our clothes has to be clean and neat and all that good stuff. But when it comes to our hair, sometimes when we get up, they are not in good position. Like, don't believe those people. Don't believe those people that say I woke up like that. I know they woke up and they put themselves together and they woke up like that. I will recommend that you look into this product from Yanni Best. Yanni Best is partnering with me in this video today. Thank you so much for partnering with me again. These three, there are three items that I'm going to present today, and I'm so thrilled, I'm so excited to show you. And the reason is because you can actually use them to dress up. You can use them to style up your outfits and go out there. The one that I'm featuring now is called the Satin Knotted Turban in Millennium Pink. They have it in other colors. They have it in black, in leopard, olive green, coffee brown, and yellow. Ladies, remember that olive green and leopard happens to be one of the trending color for 2024 fall fashion. This cap is fully lined inside with satin. The bold design at the front, which is the knotted design. The elastic at the band is adjustable and stretchy, so it can be able to fit your hair. No matter how small, how long, or how voluminous it is, it's going to fit into it.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company?
This other one, which is called the Slushy Satin Line Up 2-in-1, they do have it, they do sell it separately. If you want to lay your hands on this, you can buy the two together. It's like you're paying the price of 2 for 1, you understand, 2-in-1. You can buy it separately. Either you buy the black one separate, or you buy the one with the gray pattern design, you buy it separately. But this is called their Slushy Satin Lined Cap. It can be used as a sleeve cap to replace bonnet, and you can also use it for your casual look or when you are lounging at home or outdoor. It has adjustable strap to adjust to hair size and to stay in place without slipping off your head. They have it in other colors. They have it in ocean blue, deep gray, light gray, red. They have it in forest green. Also, one of the color that is trendy for fall fashion 2024, which is olive green. So this type of cap, you can use it to sleep at home, or you can use it to quickly go out, or just to lounge at home, or when you want to exercise outdoor when it's very cold. The advantage of this is that they are lined inside with satin, and that will prevent your hair from getting too dry, not retaining its moisture, and also it will prevent freezing and making your hair to look unkept or lose its shine.
Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
Ladies, please check in the description box for further information and the link to Yanni Best. Ladies, let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and if you're just coming across my channel for the very first time, please do not forget to subscribe and please turn on your notification bell so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. Please leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts about this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.